Hi, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm at my home that we've renovated. The vision for this renovation was all about reimagining a tired-looking home into a modern-day urban farmhouse with wow factor and street appeal. One decision we had to make quite early on was what style of windows and doors to go with. So I visited a Stegbar showroom to view the product options in person. The expert staff provided great advice and were so helpful. We chose the new Alumiere windows and doors in matte black. They make a sophisticated statement and bring the urban edge to the house. I absolutely love the end result. These stackers let me open up the main living space to the outdoor entertaining area with ease. And the bifolds on the servery give the space that beautiful indoor-outdoor flow. During the renovation, one area of the home that we decided to keep was the atrium. It had stunning vintage Stegbar cedar windows and doors, which were still in great condition after over 20 years. So we've refreshed the atrium by painting the windows and doors, and I think it delivers on our vision perfectly. Stegbar has an amazing selection of high quality products for the home to choose from, and have been making windows and doors for over 75 years. Head online to find out more.